So hello everyone, this is FBL and today I'm going to review this amazing scent from the House of Bulgari named Aqua Amara. So this is the box, and this box is very similar to other Aqua line fragrances from Bulgari like Aqua Marine, Aqua Atlantique, Aqua Porome. So this is the box. Presentation is really very nice. Bulgari branding with Bulgari website. This is the presentation and the scent inside. So this scent is discontinued, and I really do not know why Bulgari has discontinued such an amazing scent. This fragrance came out in 2014, and the presentation and bottle is very similar to other Bulgari scents like Porome and all. So the bottle looks like a pebble, and as you turn, there is a sprayer on the top, Bulgari branding, and some information stuff on the bottom with batch code and the quantity. So this is 50 ml bottle, and I really love the design of this bottle. This is one of the most enticing bottle in my entire collection. I really love this scent. This looks so attractive. So one thing I hate about this fragrance is it takes a lot of space. You can't put this the scent in your collection like this. You have to put it like this. So it takes a lot of space in my fragrance collection. So this is the scent. So coming to the notes. So the top note is mandarin orange. In mids there are some aquatic notes with neroli, and as the fragrance settles down in base, it has some floral smell with patchouli. So this is a very casual scent, and it is really very great for summertime. It is a very simple fragrance. It is not a complex scent. It is casual, perfect for hanging out setting in hot summer days, in high heat especially. It is a very unique fragrance. Everyone would definitely love this scent. This fragrance is unisex type of scent. Both men and women can rock this on, and it is perfect for age group of 25 and above. And if I have to say how it smells when it lingers in air, the scent opens up with a bright citrusy mandarin orangey smell which settles very beautifully towards floral side, and it got me a really very nice floral vibes with some bittery orangey smell and a bit salty, and it is very pleasant to my nose. Again, I would say this is a very unique scent. It smells like a bitter orange. I literally love this scent, and if I have to rate this scent, then I would give it a solid 8 out of 10 for the scent profile, as it is a very unique, and performance wise I would rate this 9 out of 10. This performs really very good and projects like a monster in high heat. So that was the review. Thank you so much.